mosquitoes are out, already on me. I'm wearing one of these mosquito bracelets. They don't work too good. I mean, they're everywhere. Hopefully when I get down towards the creek, oh, there he goes. I'm gonna have to move on. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna try to fish today. There's some pretty good sized bass in there. I've seen some 5+ in there. I'm gonna try to pull one out. Well, there's a bass right there. 2 of them. Let's see if he'll hit this worm. No size to him. Maybe he's tearing it up. I got him. I've got him. There he is. I had another one on the reel end. I was just trying to reel this in real quick to get the bait to him, and one about the same size. Really clean fish. Of course, all these creek fish are really clean. I'm gonna throw him down there. Maybe he'll leave me alone. I'm gonna tell you what, the mosquitoes started biting on me. They didn't stop, didn't they? There he goes. Got him. If I can get him over this log here. There he goes. Well, if I can get him over this log. There he comes. Oh, there's like 3 with him. Yeah, he's a little less than a pound. I'm gonna take him over here in the faster water in the creek and let him go. But he knows his way back. See if I can catch his friends. He just about tore my wacky rig hook up. And I didn't bring but a few of them worms too. Wow. Big mistake by me. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'm back. Had to put on a different color worm. I didn't bring enough. Feels like I already have something. Maybe not. Kind of like a motor oil color. It's not bad. If you hang a big one right there, I'd never get him in. I'd have to do some swimming. Something's hitting it already. Of course, it could be a brim. I think I'm hung. Nope, got him. Oh, he spit it out. Oh well. I seen him, he wasn't much to talk about. I miss a lot of fish with these wacky rig hooks. I mean a lot of fish. Let's get it closer over to that brush. Same place. Really a hard place to fish with all these logs and stuff in the water. There's some more logs on the other side we'll try in a minute. Just trying to pull as many off this side as I can. I think a mosquito just flew up and bit that. He's on. I got him. Yeah, maybe I need to let him run a little longer. Maybe not. Come on. He didn't exactly choke it, but it's down deep. I'll pop it out there. There we go. That's another one about maybe 11 inches long, maybe a foot. Let him go back here in the current too. They all know their way back. Oh, just dropped him in the sand. There he goes. Oh, he's got it. Oh. That's a big brim. I think I see him. That can't. No, there's a bass right there. Little bass. See if he'll turn around. Oh, he got it. I think I got him this time. Oh yeah. He spit my worm too, and it's floating away. You still, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Very clean looking fish. All right, buddy. I'm gonna let you go over here. All your other friends. See where he goes. Straight down creek. Exactly where I wanted him. Finally got one on that weird color worm. It's not a giant. He's about the same size. Maybe a little smaller. Barely got him hung. Just by a piece of his lip skin. Try to save him that lip skin. Another pretty fish. We'll let him go down the creek too. They'll come right back on the other side. Where'd he go? Disappeared. Anyway. I mean, that was right there in front of me. I can't believe it. I've cast it everywhere. Just about everywhere, and cast 15 feet away from me in shallow water and didn't see him. He come out of I'm guessing, an old tire over there. But there's a couple of them laying over there. He's hitting it again. Do I have him? Yes, I do. Yep, he spit it out. There's another bass there. Cinco's doing pretty good. Second sinker on. It dropped down quicker and got to the bottom. First cast. Caught a peckerhead. But we'll take him. Been tough for about 30 minutes. Not that bad. Pretty fish. Not that bad for a creek. Alright, got one first cast. Not too shabby. Although the lure's almost as big as he is, but he was hungry. Let him go back here. And head on down creek. See what else we can get. Oh, I missed him again. Oh, I got him. He's a fighter. Oh yeah. Biggest one of the day anyway. Not a giant. I think I got him foul hooked. Come on, buddy, now I'll let you go. Yeah, well, he's not foul hooked really. He's caught in the mouth. He's caught just about everywhere he could be caught. Come on, buddy. He's got hooks everywhere. Well, I'm guessing that's the biggest one of the day. That's about a pound. They like that jerkbait. Well, we didn't exactly kill them today, but we caught a few. And it was fun. There's a bass right there. I'm going to sign off right here. And if you watch this video, thanks for watching. See you soon.